Today's video is about how to record voice on PowerPoint. Here I have already created a simple presentation with 4 slides and gave simple animation also. To record audio, click on Slideshow, then Record Slideshow. Then click on Start Recording from Beginning. On this widget, click on Start Recording. After that, recording will start. Hello friends, welcome to my presentation. This is my first slide. Let's move into our second slide. Now I paused this recording. So in between, if you want to pause your recording, you can click here. And if you want to resume, you can click on Resume Recording. And this is my third slide. I clicked on the close button so that the recording is stopped. If you wish to make some changes in the slide in between of your presentation, you can do that by clicking on Stop Recording. Here I'm adding a text thank you and changing its color. Then to record voice, again click on Slideshow. Record slideshow, then click on Start Recording from Current Slide. Click on Start Recording to start audio record for the current slide. And this is my fourth and final slide. Thank you very much. Then stop recording. Here you can see an audio icon. You can play it and check whether the audio you recorded is fine or not. And this is my fourth and final slide. Thank you very much. If you wish to remove that, you can select it and then press on Delete button. And then you can record again. You can also move that to wherever you want to place. In animation pane also, you can see audio. You can save this file by clicking on File, Save as a normal PPT file. Now let's go to the final output. Hello friends, welcome to my presentation. This is my first slide. Let's move into our second slide. And this is my third slide. And this is my fourth and final slide. Thank you very much. I hope this video helped you to record audio for your presentation so that you can send a file with complete presentation. I will be uploading more videos like this in this channel, so please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications. Please support this channel by clicking on the like button and by sharing it with your friends. We'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching.